Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tutorial in this channel. So there's a new cool feature in Leonardo AI where you can just draw anything and it will generate it into AI art here. So as you can see, this all AI art are generated by the real-time canvas in Leonardo AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it so you can create this cool art with the real-time canvas in Leonardo AI. So let's start the video. So first of all, you just need to come to this Leonardo AI website here. And if you don't have an account, just log in with your Google account. So in the home page, as you can see, there's a real-time canvas here, which is beta now. And in the left corner, also there's a real-time canvas. So you just have to click on real-time canvas here and you will have a blank canvas here. So this is basically a canvas where you can just draw anything and it will generate an image in the right corner here. So I'm choosing the pink brush here. As you can see in the right left corner, there's a brush option. That's why it's showing like this. Let's go to the menu here in the left corner. As you can see, there's a brush option. So this is the brush option I'm using right now. You can choose different color from here. And this is the image option. You can also add an image to edit the image with this option here. And there's the eraser option. If you want to erase this, you can just hover your mouse here like this and it will erase all the color here. And this is the brush size option here. You can increase it or reduce it if you want to use this. So let's say if I want a background of blue color here, just choose the blue color and just start drawing here. And it will use the blue color as a background here. So as you can see, this is the background. And let's see, choose another color and choose this green color here. And just, okay, I want to reduce this blue color. So if I just, as you can see, this also creates something cool here. So I want to reduce this blue color. Let's just change the background again to blue and reduce the brush here and choose the green here. So if I just choose the green here, let's see what happened in the right corner. It will create something new here. As you can see, this create a tree here. Thinks this is the tree, but if you really want to use this properly, you have to give some prompt here. So as you can see, there's a prompt option. So if I just right now want to create an alien face here, you just have to type alien here. And as you can see, it created something look like an alien here. So I didn't give anything here, but it thinks this as a alien face here. So there's another option here, which is the creativity strength here. So if you increase it, let's see what happened. And I think this will change into something like this. As you can see, this look like very creepy. And if I just reduce the strength here, creativity strength, and I think this will just look similar to my drawing here. Yes, similar to my drawing. So if you want to the best result from this canvas here, you just have to choose somewhere between like 7 here, I guess. Yes, 7. And you can also choose full option here to use whatever you want. So as you can see, but for right now, I'm going to choose the 7 here, 0.7. And right here, as you can see, there's an option of the model or the filter here. So right now I'm using the environment here. You can choose anime here. So it will look like an anime, as you can see. And you can choose concept art. You can choose many other things, so photography and sketch color. So you can choose whatever model you want. For right now, I'm just going to use the environment here. So let's draw something more on this alien face here. So if I just want an eye here, so just go to this and choose the white color here and just draw this as a white. Let's see if give an eye here. As you can see, this given eye here, which is very big. So let's say I want to highlight this as another option with here. So just let's choose the black color here and just let's look like this. And as you can see, it's also changed the face here. So I want this black eye here, only black, and this will create something like this. So let's just highlight something more, like I want a black border here. And let's see what happened. And this looks like something like this. So this is not what I want to use this right now. So if you want to reset this canvas, you can just go to this delete option here and clear canvas, click on it, and this will reset your canvas. So if you just click on reset canvas, and this will just delete everything here. So again, if I just go to this and go to screen color and just put an alien like face here, because my prompt is alien. So if you don't want an alien, you just have to change this. So again, I'm drawing an alien here, and let's try now with a different color. So this is cool here. So if you like this picture here, there's a cool feature also which is called output to input. So if I want to use this picture as an input, just click on it and this picture will be here. Now you can modify this picture here also. So let's say I want to something similar to this picture, and just go to this option and just transparent to highlight it, choose the white color, and if I just highlight here, and it will change something like this here in the right corner. I didn't expect this, but I don't know why it changed so much. So I think I have to change the creativity strength here. So if you want to use the same option here, yeah, something like this, I want something like this. So you have to choose the creativity strength when you find your exact photo you want to use. So yeah, that's how you can use the canvas right now. If you want to use it, you can make many other picture here. So to download this, you just have to click on this instant refine here. First you have to upscale it, and this picture will upscale it, and then you can see this creative refine will use 8 token for every picture, and then just click download and it will directly download in your PC. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful and you also want to see lots of AI tutorial like this with the new update here, please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment here if you like this video, and thank you for watching.